A hole the size of a penny is enough to sink your ship. Too many of us business owners, yes, we're busy, we're very busy, aren't we? And we're too busy working in the business. What you need to do is take some time out and work on the business. A few pennies here, a few pennies there, it doesn't make any difference, am I right? It's just pennies. But see, when you add up the pennies from every part of your business, they can amount to a massive amount of money. My business, I was shocked. I managed to save £10,000 for doing a single day's work. £10,000, think about that. If you own a standard retail business, net operating profit of 5%, you would have to turn over an extra £200,000 just to cover that £10,000. Here's what I did. I took one day out, I listed all of my suppliers, all 37 of them. I listed all of the phone numbers, and I listed all of the account numbers. Then I sat and I called every single one of my suppliers and I renegotiated as many terms as possible. I think I managed to renegotiate 20 discounts out of the 37 companies. And when I added the sum of all the savings, that amounted to £10,000. And for a lot of small businesses, that could be the difference between staying afloat or sinking. So my friends, business owners, I say to you, take time out, take a full day out and try and renegotiate as many of your contracts as possible. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save. And it doesn't matter what size of business you are. You could be small or insanely big, it does not matter. You could save hundreds of pounds. You could save thousands of pounds. You could save hundreds of thousands or even millions. Please, for the sake of your business, do this exercise. You'll thank me later. Control expenses very carefully.